After connecting the microphone to the DJI MIMO app, you can update the firmware or adjust parameter settings using your phone. Two connection methods are supported when connecting your microphone to the DJI MIMO app: connecting via the phone adapter or Wi-Fi. Connecting via phone adapter. Power on the transmitter and receiver, and complete the linking. Remove the sliding cover from the bottom of the receiver, then insert the adapter. Plug the adapter into the data port of your phone. Connecting via Wi-Fi. Connecting the transmitter to the app. When the transmitter is powered on, press and hold the linking button on the transmitter for 2 seconds until the system's status LED blinks blue and green alternately. Open the DJI MIMO app and automatically search for nearby connectable devices. Tap to connect once the transmitter is discovered. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press the linking button of the transmitter to complete the connection. Connecting the receiver to the app. Swipe down on the home screen of the receiver and tap Connect to App. Open the app to automatically search for nearby devices and tap to connect once the receiver is discovered. When a verification code appears on the screen, tap to confirm and complete the connection. Parameter adjustment and firmware update. In the device settings interface, you can view connected devices and their battery status, adjust parameters, or update the firmware. If the combo purchased includes a charging case, connect the receiver to the DJI MIMO app via the adapter or Wi-Fi, and then tap the notification to update the firmware. Once the receiver update is complete, place it back in the charging case. The receiver will automatically start the firmware update for the transmitters and charging case. If you do not have a charging case, connect the transmitter and receiver separately to the DJI MIMO app and tap the notification to update.